What's going on, traders? Good morning. It is the 16th of February, Thursday morning, right around 4:45 in the morning over on the East Coast. Guys, looking at the markets, we're looking at AZERO/Tether USDT, Aleph 0 this morning. Nice morning for the Aleph 0 community, up 8.22% today. What a solid breakout so far taking place out of this cup with handle pattern. Very nice chart, nice accumulation, nice breakout to come here. Guys, what a day yesterday for Bitcoin. Very impressive. It's been a while since we've seen that big of a percentage move to the upside for Bitcoin. I think people got a little bit too bearish too quick. Bitcoin found support at a lower level and rocketed higher. Took a lot of cryptos to the upside with it. Aleph 0 actually started to move before Bitcoin. Big move here to the upside. Welcome to the channel, guys. Appreciate it. So let's do a quick recap here, and then we'll talk about a couple things I see moving forward for Aleph 0 and this chart. Excuse me while I drink some coffee. It's not even 5 o'clock in the morning. So let's do a quick recap here. So we have this initial run up and then a big consolidation, relatively smooth, up to just about here where we found resistance. Then a pullback. Notice how that pullback came in right at a very important support level below the market, which is $1.2650. 12650. And then we started to rocket higher from there. So let me clean up this. We spoke about in some of our not too old, but older Aleph 0 videos a solid couple days ago or so, that we are looking for a breakout, guys. And the entry point would be this high right here. $1.4910. 149.10 would be your entry based off this cup with handle pattern. Let's see what day that came in here. Did we get it on this day? The 13th of February was the day that you had a confirmed breakout past this high right here for Aleph 0 based on that cup with handle. So far, that trade on a percentage basis, let's get our ruler, our measurement tool. So we'll take roughly the high right there. So far, that trade is up 16%. Very nice. Very nice. From support to where we are currently at, so 126.50 to 173.78, which is where we're trading at this morning. This is a 37% run to the upside for the bulls. So we have a couple levels here we want to speak about that we've had in the last, at least the last Aleph video, maybe the last two Aleph videos, not quite sure. We have so as the price has moved higher and broken out, we pulled back, hit a lower level perfectly. Now we are moving higher. So there is a potential that the price finds resistance at $1.69. That level is right here. There is potential that the price finds resistance at $1.69. Currently, I'll put a circle around it so it's easier for you guys to see. Currently, the price is above that at $1.7378. There's a chance, though, that the price pulls back throughout the day, throughout the morning, and has a candle wick that closes below that. Not saying that will happen. I'm just saying there's a chance because it's right at it's very close to a overhead level. Overhead levels act as targets. They also can act as resistance for some period of time. Sometimes that period of time is only a couple days. Sometimes it's much, much longer. Sometimes it's less. Sometimes it's just a couple hours. And then you get the candle close, the next candle close, the next candle open, breaks out above that and moves higher. So keep that in mind that we could pull back at some point today, this morning, and close at or below $1.69. It might not happen. This thing is very strong right now, and it's been in a very, very long basing structure. So we could be heading up to 205 or 206. Those are two other targets I have above the market right here. Those are two more targets we have above the market. So if we rally from where we're at now, 205, 206 on a percentage basis would take us up another 18 or so percent, 17, 18%, guys, higher than where we're currently at. And even more bullish, the more bullish scenario, 257 is another target we have. 257. These are all important levels. 257, 206, 205, 169, 126.50. All important levels to keep on your radar as the price moves higher here. At some point, it should find resistance at one of these. So let's check that out with our measurement tool from where we're currently trading up to our 257, 47% higher, guys. 47% higher from the original breakout, which is that high right there, up to that, our highest target, 71% move. So if you are long this, I am personally not. If you are long Aleph Zero, this thing has been looking very, very good. A nice, solid, confirmed, strong-looking breakout, giving our first target at $1.69 a little bit of a battle. We'll see if it pulls back, though. Like I said, I wouldn't be surprised, but it is very strong, so we could be heading up to 205 or 206. So that is my personal levels. Let's take the Fibonacci's. All right, we'll take the fib levels, and we'll take the left-hand side of the cup. We'll scroll over to the right, and we'll go to the bottom of the cup, which is roughly right there, guys. And let's see what the fibs tell us. The fibs tell us that our first 1618 target, which is right here, 1618, is roughly at $2.45. $2.45 based on the left-hand high of the giant cup with handle pattern. Pretty close to our 257, but the fibs are a little bit lower at 245. So if we get in and around that 245, 250 area, you can see a little bit of resistance, guys. Might not be a bad area to lock in some of your profits or just mentally expect some kind of resistance, maybe a little bit of a pullback as the price approaches that area. Let's adjust the chart, move on up here. 2618 based on our high and low of the cup. 2618 Fibonacci level, $4.98. One hell of a move. Almost a $5 Aleph Zero. That is a awesome, awesome move. And it doesn't stop there, guys. It keeps on going. So if you use the fibs, or if you're not familiar with the fib levels, take a major swing high, which I use the high of the cup, and then the swing low in that pattern right here. Click the high, click the low, and you'll get these fib numbers on your chart. The 3618 is a $10 Aleph zero. Way up there. Massive move, guys, from where we're currently trading. That takes you to a 400+% move. Way up there from current levels. So this thing has had a fantastic breakout. It is approaching. It is nice to see that we hit our target number 1, and we are actually above that, so it doesn't look like it's ready to stop quite yet. Next target in line, if you missed it, 205, 206. Above that, 257. And that is all we have. If you want more targets, guys, use the Fibonacci's left-hand side on tradingview.com. Take your swing high, click, drag over, drag down to your major low, which is right here. And just about there. And this will give you your fib numbers above the market. So guys, keep your eye on Bitcoin. It's important. Aleph did start to move prior to Bitcoin's breakout to the upside. There is a high likelihood that Aleph will pause, if not find resistance at one of these 3 levels I have on my chart. Keep in mind there's also a fib level that's slightly below our 257 area. It's right in here in the high 240s. And congratulations to anybody who is long this or who has bought this, purchased this in the days prior to this big breakout. Very nice pattern. These are some of the best, most bullish, strongest patterns in the markets are cup with handles. We do have a consecutive run here. Let me try to get the correct tool on my chart of higher lows and higher highs. So we have a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, lower high, still a higher low. And then we're getting that big higher high right now. Eventually, we'll get a pullback, probably create another higher low, all depending on the market cycle. Guys, welcome to the channel. Appreciate all of the 1,374 current subscribers. Thank you very much. Hit that thumbs up. Interact in the comments. Nice to see and read everybody's different views, opinions. I appreciate. I answer all the comments, read all the comments. Thanks, guys. Hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you have not yet already. Hope you enjoyed this video. This thing is running nice, and it so far looks like a pretty great investment or trade, depending on how you are looking at it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a great Thursday, the 16th of February.